Now get the Windows 10 Pro at an incredible lower price. G2Deal.com is an absolutely amazing marketplace for purchasing 100% legal OEM keys. As you are able to see, I am adding this product to my cart and applying the coupon code ET18 to get even an additional 18% off and submitting my order. Once I complete the payment, here is my purchased key. Now I am applying the same key to my Windows, and here my Windows 10 Pro is now successfully activated. So check out the G2Deal.com and get the Windows 10 Pro at an extremely low price from the links in the video description. We might be seeing a major delay in the launch of the iPhone 12 considering the current fact and the situation, as this rumor has been coming from one of the trusted sources, Jon Prosser, and he has actually predicted the official release date of the iPhone 12 lineup. We might be seeing the Apple official launch event in the October instead of the September, whereas in the September Apple is going to release their latest Apple Watch Series 6 with a new iPad. Of course, considering the iPad Pro, Apple has already launched them in the March month, but it is definitely not going to be iPad Pro series. It's going to be some mid-range iPad which Apple is going to launch, and basically we might be seeing that thing on the September 7th. The Apple iPhone 12 event will be going to get on to the October 12th, and basically the pre-orders will get started on the same day, as well as the shipping will get started hardly in a week on October 19th. Whereas the iPhone 12 Pro series will even get further delay, and it can get up to November even for the pre-orders and the shipping as well. Moving with the another thing, it's coming from case manufacturer, and basically Apple is adding up several magnets, circular array of the magnets in their iPhone 12 as well, just like they have done in their this year's iPad Pro 2020 series, that they have added the magnets in order to hold for the case and the covers of the iPad. But Apple will be doing this magnetic array in the iPhone 12 series, especially either for the charging purpose or for the mounting purpose. Apart from this, we got some component leaked of the iPhone 12 series, just like the 5.4 inches iPhone screen. The display has got leaked, and it seems out that the 5.4 inch iPhone is going to get a smaller notch, whereas considering the rest three models, it will probably going to be having the same size of the notch as that of the iPhone 11 Pro. Over this, the display unit of the iPhone 12 has also leaked up, as you're able to see, and we also got to see a 5G antenna will be added in this iPhone. It seems like probably the 4 iPhones will be supporting the 5G. Apart from this, we got a A14 RAM component leaked, as well as a logic board leaked for the upcoming iPhone 12 series. During the certification of the batteries, it seems that the iPhone 12 series is going to get a significantly lower size battery as compared to the iPhone 11 models. Now it seems to be a weird thing, as the iPhone 12 will be having a 5G antenna as well, and the 5G will consume more power. In spite of that, we will be getting a smaller capacity in the iPhone 12 series. So Apple is also trying to upgrade several technologies in their iPhone, making the battery capacity even smaller but efficient as that same day long lasting as we have seen in the iPhone 11 series. Considering this same battery thing, we got another major update coming from one of the trusted sources, Ming Chico and Barclay analyst as well, that this year we might be seeing no charger, no earbuds in the iPhone 12 box. Apple is planning to provide just a new braided USB Type-C cable, a Lightning to USB Type-C cable, and we will need to purchase the power adapter separately. And Apple is also working on their new 20-watt USB Type-C power adapter, which they will be selling separately out of the box. And considering this thing, we might be able to get that as well after the launch of the iPhone 12 itself. So these are the latest updates about the iPhone 12 yet, guys, and there are several changes in the cameras as well, but that are not yet confirmed, so I haven't covered them yet until the confirmation or any trusted source actually clarifies them properly. So hope you found this leaks and the rumors as excited. If so, please thumbs up the like button and please do share this video. This is Milan signing off. I will talk to you guys in the next one. For now, peace out.